Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with power sliding rear window with privacy glass, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, alloy wheels, Sirius XM satellite radio, electronic stability control, speed sensing steering, auto high beam headlamp control, keyless entry, and has less than 15,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.